yesterday, but
Yeah, I did too. I didn't
did a
wear my
little
coat today.
no, I went down a layer.
It's mostly been fine, but there were a couple times where the wind picked up and I was like, ooh, maybe I should wear a coat. Yeah.
Yeah, it crossed my mind and I was like, nope, it's a mountain. I'm putting some stuff.
Yeah.
Here today.
Because you never know what
You
you
never know,
Yeah.
I just was so hot yesterday by the end of the day.
All about the layers. Index.
Yeah. Exactly.
I've been fine. So. It's okay with my choices.
What was your name? Justin. Justin. You need Jeff? Jeff. Yeah.
This is my husband.
Oh, cool.
What do you do at Herman Miller?
Advanced innovation. So like way front end. Take napkin sketches, turn them into parts. See if we can develop into anything further.
Cool.
Work on old models, see if we can make them more comfortable.
Yeah.
More sustainable materials, carbon footprint.
Yeah. I've got a Herman Miller, and I can't remember which model it is, but I've got it in my office. The plastic mesh.
The Varus,
back on it,
Varus probably.
Yeah, it was
Era?
in like an office sale when like some company gone bust and I got it for like $400.
That sounds like it.
That sounds good.
Run.
It's a deal.
We have the office outlet in local in Zealand, and that's where a bunch of rejects come and old chippers come.
Yeah.
For cheap. And then we get half off on top. So
Yeah.
it's only way we can afford them.
What software do you use for the design stuff?
CATIA.
Yeah.
Yep.
So even when you're doing prototyping stuff, you're still doing it too?
Even what?
When you just like
Prototyping.
prototyping?
Oh yeah, still CATIA.
Yeah.
Some of the designers will use Fusion,
Yeah,
but then they got it transferred all over, so
Yeah.
they just got me going on it.
Yeah.
Working surfacing,
Yeah.
all that cat shit.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, guys, I guess.
He liked Autodesk before though, right?
Well, yeah, I've
You
done
prefer
Inventor
Autodesk.
for a while, SolidWorks for a whole bunch. I've done NX, I've done
Yeah.
Ringer. But yeah, now we're just mostly CATIA and
Yeah.
making it work.
Yeah, surfacing's just a
Yeah,
bit of a pain in the ass in
Yeah.
all of the Autodesk products.
Oh yeah.
They're not that great in the kernel with controlling some of the curvature.
Yep.
I don't know why they don't fix it. They know. And the thing is like with Fusion, they're targeting it more for industrial design than Inventor, but it's like, right, you've still got the same core ASM issues for surfacing, like why aren't you fixing it?
Yep.
Jeff, you're the only one that I haven't done a chairlift interview with, so
Ooh.
give us some Tell us about your shop.
Small shop. I started 10 years ago when my first son was born. My wife's, I don't say workaholic, but on the spectrum, and she's a shift worker, so that was my way to be flexible enough and manage the kids. And yeah, it was setting up a shop with babies, not a good idea. But eventually I found a groove. I found a really nice groove for 2 or 3 years where, I was upgrading machines and upgrading work and kind of challenging myself and growing skill and growing in capability. But it kind of fell out last summer.
That's interesting. The speakers in the top of the
Yeah,
tower.
they got it in the top.
It's for the park rats.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's kind of the story.
And what's the name of your shop and where you're
Herr Machine. My last name's Herr.
Herr. H-E-R-R.
H-E-R-R.
Cool. And you're just north of Spokane
That's right.
in Canada. Oh yeah.
What kind of what's your market? What kind of person do you get?
The last 3 years I've never advertised, I've never marketed, I just take whatever comes.
Mhm.
There's a company nearby that builds particle accelerators, so
Okay.
I'm doing a lot of scientific parts for them.
Cool.
The stuff they are scared to send to China or
Yeah.
Taiwan, I guess. They use SunPay a lot.
Yeah, so do we.
Yeah, so I used to rework a fair bit of their stuff
Uh-huh.
and then build their hard shit. And then I'm starting to see some rework of the harder shit.
Oh.
So they're skilling up with SunPay for sure.
Yeah, they come through quick.
Yeah,
They're
man.
cheap.
I've seen some of their quotes. It's like some of it I can't buy material for.
Exactly. That's what I just ran into. We're making some new beams, aluminum group frames, and we're having them all CNC cut.
Yeah.
We had to get 4 sets, 23 grand. Through some pay, and that's what they want for block aluminum here in the U.S.
It's big stuff.
Yeah, there were big chunks. It's a big frame, but yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
that's
challenging.
crazy. That's machine for him build it.
Well, for just this version, we have casting.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
For prototypes, we're adjusting stuff.
Okay.
Trying to make
Yeah.
it better. But it's a challenge for sure.
Yeah, it's interesting. I don't know where it's gonna go. I'm kind of like everything's paid for. I have no payments. I work on my residential property. I built the building. I had no idea why I was building a 12-foot ceiling shop below my house. I just always lived in the shop, so I just built it. Everybody asked me why. I'm like, I don't know.
You live above the shop.
I live above the shop. It's, you know what? It
Jealous.
sounds great until you try to get insurance. And they're like, you do what below your house? Like, so do you do any
Sounds
hot work?
dangerous.
Do you weld? I'm like, yeah, a little bit. You know, like, sign this, sign that. I'm like, oh fuck, I'm not getting insurance if I need it. Yeah. Yeah. So there's issues.
Yeah.
But it works great. My commute's real short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
What about
Same again.
like work-life balance? Is it hard to separate? You know.
Yeah, and we live in our area. Like people move there to like ski, whatever. So work is secondary. I always say like if I would have tried to start a shop where I grew up and where I moved at 6:30, I would have been screwed. I would have been eating for breakfast because you know if you answer the phone where I live, you're miles ahead of most of your competition. Like people just don't care about work.
Yeah.
So in that environment, I'm like, I work more than a lot of people, but I still have a good balance compared to a lot of,
oh yeah.
I call it urban people.
I bet
Yeah.
those are
Yeah.
whatever they
So
throw them.
But you live like in the country, right? Like,
It's not, it's like a town, it's a ski town, 3,000 or 4,000 people.
okay.
Yeah.
Are we going up again? Or are we
I'm
getting up?
gonna go up.
Yeah, I'm
I'll go up, yeah, all the way up.
All the way up? All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. It's my walkout song.
I have a jam going in your head.
Yeah.
So you guys ride?
Hey, guys. Hey.
Hello.
Thank you.
Bye.
I don't.
Yeah.
Music
No
or no
music.
music? No music?
I like to hear it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't hear it. Never had.
I did it for a while. I had no one with the speakers, but only, I didn't need it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried last winter a couple of times to ski with stuff playing in my ears. And,
I hate pulling out the phone. You know,
Yeah.
I hate picking or like, oh, you want to skip? It's just distraction.
Yeah. Or like pause to talk or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do listen to books on tape when I'm ski touring.
Yeah.
You ski tour.
Yeah, and then I take them off. Well, I have a split board, I guess, but yeah, same thing. And yeah, it's nice. I go by myself, just with the dog a lot, so I'm like,
Yeah.
I'll listen to a book on the way up, and then have nice power run.
Yeah. I listen to audiobooks when I'm hiking a lot.
Yeah.
Running with the dogs.
yeah, I
like
do
in those bone conduction things.
that. Yeah, they're awesome. The aftershocks is what I've got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I've tried.
Oh man,
What's that?
your ear hole's open, so the sound goes through your bone.
What?
Yeah.
Wait,
I know.
what?
Yeah,
What is
I know.
this?
It sounds like bullshit.
They're like headphones?
Yeah, but they don't go in your ear. They touch on your bone right in
They
front
just
of
sit here. So they go over your, ear and just sit there.
Yeah.
And then they've got
I hate
the ones
this.
I've got a air conduction speaker and the bone conduction speaker, so that pushes sound into your ear externally and conducts through the bone.
But if you had music playing right now on your bone conduction, it'd sound like there's just a speaker in here.
Yeah.
We're all talking normally. You can hear everything.
Interesting.
But nobody else can hear it?
Nobody else
No.
can hear it.
What?
It's awesome because when you're out running,
Okay, this
you
is
can
the
still
most
hear.
mind-blowing thing I've heard at this conference. I'm sorry.
I've got them. I've got
Headphone
them with me.
technology.
If the condo sessions later, I'll grab them and you can listen to them.
I'd be interested.
What kind of session are you doing today?
Oh no, I'm just gonna go. I'm not doing one. I'll just
Especially like
I'll
sailing.
just
Hang out.
go
You wanna
for
hear
whatever
Okay.
you used to.
Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
You want
I'm
to
going
You
to
bike too, right? I was talking to Pete.
Finance.
Yeah.
Shit, we
Finance.
Finance.
Did you bring
Yeah, I might
skins
do
or
that.
anything?
No, no.
I was like,
haven't been to
all my
I'll
gear
try
was backcountry, and I was like, I'm bringing my backcountry skis, which are shit for this, but I'm like, I might as well throw my pack in. So I was like, maybe I'll find something.
I was thinking about it. But then I was like, I don't know if I want to be responsible for leading people into the backcountry
Well,
on this trip. Like,
You get it when
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
going into
Yeah.
nobody's leading anybody.
Yeah. It's an agreement we're going together.
Yes.
I actually have really enjoyed it. I live on the East Coast now, and ski touring is so much lower stress because I don't have to think about avalanche danger
Right,
anymore.
yeah.
It's not a 8-hour approach on skins. I could go get out for an hour and a half and get a couple nice runs in.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about the dog, so it's I mean, the skiing is terrible in comparison.
Yeah,
if I'm being
right.
honest, but it's just a more comfortable activity to do.
Totally.
Yeah.
It's like what we do in the dunes right off Lake Michigan by us, just cross country.
Oh, cool,
essentially.
yeah.
But we got wider skis.
Right.
The edges.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
edges. We're just busting trail. We're finding all the little bowls in the dunes and just doing
Yeah.
nice little downhills and then just keep on going.
Falling.
You know? Yeah. Yeah, because you can go downhill so good cross country. Try and get a knee drop in there, get turned.
Oh man.
It's fun.
Just poking around.
Yeah.
That's what it's about.
Tootling.
You don't have to rip the skins off and everything, so
Yep.
you just keep going. Because it's just
Floated.
it's ups and downs, ups and downs.
Do you ski much?
I haven't in a while, but I started skiing when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5-6 years
You're San Diego?
ago. California, Berkeley. David.
Berkeley.
David.
David, you're
Jeff.
Jeff.
Berkeley.
Jeff, you're in Kamloops?
No. Roslyn is the town.
Oh, okay.
Red Mountain.
Yeah, okay.
If you're ever coming up ski tour, man, well, there's it's like slow stress because we got a warm snowpack. You don't get that floor.
Nice. Yeah.
So the avalanche is like, unless you're poking pretty hard, you're
Unless
okay.
you're really looking for trouble.
Yeah.
And skiing's great. It's fresh lines. And like you say, no approach. Right off the highway, you're climbing.
That's great.
That's awesome.
I was trying to find an Insta 360 video I got of reason for not having stuff in your ears.
Yeah.
I had one of those skiing down, and I heard somebody on a snowboard come up behind me.
Mhm.
And he sounded like he was getting close and out of control. And as I looked back, I saw him in the corner of my eye coming straight towards me like a flipping magnet. So I couldn't do anything. I wasn't moving particularly fast other than pointing the skis down the hill just to try and get some speed up.
Get out of the way.
And he like slammed on the ankle and missed the back of me by this much. And it was all on camera. I looked at it afterwards, and he just comes there. It's like a magnet coming straight towards me. It's like, what was he doing? And he just stopped just short. But if I hadn't heard him coming, I wouldn't have sped up, and he would have hit me.
Yeah, that too, like the safety aspects of it.
I'm surprised. So, first of all, like in the world of liability, that they bring you up, you must do a high risk activity to get down, combined with public and kids, and they feed you booze.
I know.
And it's like, that is crazy.
I know.
And then the liability forms is all like, yeah, okay, you guys cover your ass and everything. But I never signed up for that.
Yeah, I didn't sign it.
It's like,
Oh,
that
yeah.
is pretty, I was like, wow, this is,
I think when you
Note
get
to
your
Toolpath
tickets-
for next year.
Yeah.
get your tickets and get your pass, it's understood that you accept the liability.
it is.
Yeah,
But usually you have to sign.
Since
Did you rent
Toolpath
your
was
gear?
setting it up.
What's that?
Did you rent your gear or
No.
your own stuff? Yeah, so I had to sign a waiver to get the rented gear.
Okay.
Um,
Be a part of there.
Yeah.
yeah.
I already had a pass, so
Yeah, you
I was
signed
going
away.
there. Yeah.
How did you guys
Wasn't there a waiver that's part of the sign up?
I was
Summit
literally
as well?
searching for conferences during ski season in the mountains.
Oh, right.
And this came up and I was like, what?
Yeah.
Did anything else come up?
No, no, nothing else came up. Yeah, I was like, because I'm like, we need to write off more skiing this year. Like,
Cool. That's great.
yeah. So that was in like December, I think.
That's great.
Yeah, and this came up, and looking at the the people that were speaking and stuff, I'm like, I know all these guys. Why is this the first I'm hearing of this? It was really funny. So, and then I think I reached out to Al. I think he connected with me, and then I saw that he was part of the summit, and I was like, wait, what? So, and then I had a intro call with him, and I was like, if you're looking for more people to speak or whatever, I'm happy to do a workshop. And he's like, yeah, that'd be great. I'm like, okay. So
Did you have yours
Yeah.
already?
did I have a
Did you have your workshop already?
Yeah, I tweaked it. I mean, I'm always like tweaking it, making it better. It was a longer session than I normally do, and more like hands-on. So,
Oh, cool.
but yeah, it was great.
It's great.
You guys had awesome discussion.
Yeah. And it's like, you kind of lock eyes with a couple of people, like, you're gonna you're ahead of me in the same journey. I want to
Yeah.
talk to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a great session. And we recorded it all too, so I'll probably figure out how I can
Oh no.
more people.
You sound like such
Well,
an idiot.
I
You
was
mean
the
I
only
have
one.
to?
I was the only one who was mic'd up, so I think we'll have to cut out a lot of the discussion
Yeah,
stuff.
some of the other
Unfortunately,
audio might not be that great.
no, yeah, I'm sure it won't be. But
I think we had the best one. With,
yeah, I'm sad I missed that.
Tom.
Oh yeah, that was great.
That was so good.
What was it?
Extreme skiing to extreme machining. Or
Oh,
something like
was
that.
it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tom was my CNC professor in college. And
Oh.
yeah, it's pretty fun having full circle with
Yeah.
him here. So,
That's cool.
Just like he's been in Warren Miller movies, skied with Glenn Plake,
Oh yeah.
best friends with Doug Coombs.
Oh yeah.
Tom taught me Gibbs Cam back in 2014, and then I learned Fusion because I didn't like Gibbs Cam. And then I showed Fusion to Tom, and now they teach it at Montana State. And he's here, and I mean, I went and worked for Autodesk, and now at Toolpath. So it's funny how those little things can totally change the path.
Did he share a lot of skiing stuff with you when you're at him for professor?
Oh yeah, I mean, I was barely a student and mostly a snowboarder at that time. So,
That's the only thing you paid attention to.
Yeah.